Inside the magic library, Nisa tiptoed to a small wooden table and found a special book waiting for her. Welcome to the Library Challenge Quiz. Let's open the quiz book together.
Question 1. Guess the sport. Football, running, tennis. Running. Running is a fun way to move fast. It helps make your legs strong and your heart happy. Question 2. Guess the sport. Running, swimming, soccer. Soccer. In soccer, you kick the ball with your feet to try to score a goal. It's a very popular sport all around the world. Question 3. Guess the sport. Basketball, baseball, tennis. Basketball. In basketball, you bounce the ball and try to throw it into a high hoop. Jump high and have fun. Question 4. Guess the sport. Running, swimming, cycling. Swimming. Swimming is moving through water using your arms and legs. It's a great way to cool down and get strong. Question 5. Guess the sport. Badminton, tennis, golf. Tennis. In tennis, you hit a ball over a net with a racket. You can play with a friend or by yourself. Question 6. Guess the sport. Tennis, soccer, baseball. Baseball. In baseball, you hit a ball with a bat and run to the bases. It's a fun team sport. Question 7. Guess the sport. Running, cycling, swimming. Cycling. Cycling is riding a bicycle. It helps your legs get strong and lets you explore outside. Question 8. Guess the sport. Dancing, gymnastics, running. Gymnastics. Gymnastics is flipping, jumping, and balancing. It makes your whole body flexible and strong. Question 9. Guess the sport. Tennis, basketball, volleyball. Volleyball. In volleyball, you hit the ball with your hands over a tall net. Don't let it touch the ground on your side. Question 10. Guess the sport. Golf, baseball, tennis. Golf. In golf, you use a club to hit a small ball into a hole in the ground. The player with the fewest hits wins. Question 11. Guess the sport. Golf, bowling, baseball. Bowling. In bowling, you roll a heavy ball down a lane to knock down 10 big pins. Strike. Question 12. Guess the sport. Running, ice skating, swimming. Ice skating. Ice skating is gliding on ice with special boots that have blades. You can skate fast or dance gracefully. Question 13. Guess the sport. Skiing, ice skating, cycling. Skiing. Skiing is sliding down snowy hills on long sticks called skis. It's a winter adventure. Question 14. Guess the sport. Tennis, badminton, baseball. Badminton. Badminton is like tennis, but you hit a feathery shuttlecock instead of a ball. It flies very lightly. Question 15. Guess the sport. Tennis, table tennis, badminton. Table tennis. Table tennis is a fast game played on a small table. You hit a tiny ball back and forth with small paddles. Question 16. Guess the sport. Golf, hockey, soccer. Hockey. In hockey, players use sticks to hit a small puck into the other team's goal. It's played on ice. Question 17. Guess the sport. Soccer, rugby, baseball. Rugby. Rugby is a team sport where you carry or kick an oval ball to score tries. You work together to win. Question 18. Guess the sport. Gymnastics, karate, dancing. Karate. Karate is a martial art where you learn kicks, punches, and discipline. It teaches respect and focus. Question 19. Guess the sport. Gymnastics, ballet, karate. Ballet. Ballet is a beautiful dance sport. It makes you strong, graceful, and flexible like a swan. Question 20. Guess the sport. Gymnastics, climbing, running. Climbing. Climbing uses your hands and feet to go up walls or rocks. It's like solving a fun puzzle. Question 21. Guess the sport. Swimming, surfing, sailing. Surfing. Surfing is riding ocean waves on a board. You need balance and bravery to catch the perfect wave. Question 22. Guess the sport. Surfing, skateboarding, cycling. Skateboarding. Skateboarding is rolling and doing tricks on a small board with wheels. It's super cool and fun. Question 23. Guess the sport. Golf, archery, karate. Archery. Archery is using a bow to shoot arrows at a target. It takes focus and a steady hand. Question 24. Guess the sport. Karate, fencing, archery. Fencing. Fencing is a sport where two people duel with soft swords called foils. It's fast and very fun. Question 25. Guess the sport. Cycling, horse riding, running. Horse riding. Horse riding is working together with a horse to walk, trot, or jump. Horses are gentle friends. Question 26. Guess the sport. Karate, boxing, fencing. Boxing. Boxing is a sport where two people wear soft gloves and throw punches at pads or bags. It's about speed and strength. Question 27. Guess the sport. Boxing, wrestling, gymnastics. Wrestling. Wrestling is a sport where you try to gently pin your friend's shoulders to the mat. It's about clever moves. Question 28. Guess the sport. Wrestling, gymnastics, karate. Gymnastics. Gymnastics has lots of fun rolls, flips, and jumps. It makes your body bendy and strong. Question 29. Guess the sport or activity. Gymnastics, yoga, ballet. Yoga. Yoga is a calm activity where you stretch and breathe deeply. It helps you feel peaceful and strong. Question 30. Guess the sport or game. Climbing, tug-of-war, rugby. Tug-of-war. Tug-of-War is a team game where two sides pull a rope. The strongest team wins by pulling the other side over a line.
Great job! You did the library challenge with Nisa. Ready for another challenge? Let's meet again in the magic library.